Congratulations on being admitted to the Boston University College of Communication. We're thrilled that you may choose to join us here in Boston in the fall. Your academic success to date shows that you have a strong ability to achieve your personal and educational goals through hard work and perseverance. And at the college, you'll gain the skills you need to help shape the world's conversations. We will help you further develop those skills on your journey to become a successful communication professional. What might you do here? You might learn how to create a documentary film, or maybe you'd like to report breaking news or develop public relations campaigns. You might design an advertisement or write a script, or maybe you're interested in researching how people interact through emerging media. You can put theory into practice yourself in student activities here. You might try working at BUTV10, our student-run campus channel, the Boston University News Service, or WTBU, our campus radio station. Or try your hand at PR Lab, Ad Lab, and Hothouse Productions. These student-run organizations use their skills in public relations, advertising, and multimedia production to help nonprofit clients in their missions to improve the world. With a degree from the College of Communication, you'll be prepared for a challenging career in the constantly changing media industry. Our programs emphasize practical, hands-on experience in the classroom and strong writing and speaking skills. You'll get an understanding of theory and research and an ethical perspective. Also important for a deeper understanding of the world, you'll get a solid grounding in the arts and sciences. Boston University has been helping students succeed for more than 150 years and is a member of the prestigious Association of American Universities. The college's excellent reputation is enhanced by our faculty, which includes award-winning media professionals with extensive experience, as well as highly regarded academics. The college's alumni network of more than 30,000 graduates includes winners of top awards like Pulitzer Prizes, Emmys, and Clios. Our alumni also include CEOs, studio heads, and stars in TV and radio. Many of today's media leaders began their career journeys right here at the College of Communication. Our alumni and also the Career Services Office are ready to help you make connections for internships and jobs for our students who get hired more quickly and for better jobs than almost any of their peers in America. And have I mentioned we're located in Boston, one of the world's great centers for both intellectual journeys and fun? Whatever area of communication interests you, we have the opportunities, the professors, the network, and the environment for you to achieve your educational and career ambitions. We are excited you'll get the chance to shine with us. We hope to welcome you to the Boston University College of Communication in person soon.